Hi guys, welcome to ITRXCEL. In this video of the ITRXCEL course, we will review the purpose of charts to prepare for exercise 14. Let's start creating a simple one, as we done in previous tasks.
Once you have an idea of what type of chart you would like to use, highlight your data or the section of data that you are interested in. Then, from the Insert ribbon tab, Charts group, select the desired chart. Previews will appear as we mouse over the choices. For this chart, we click the Insert Column Chart drop-down arrow, and from the 2D group, select Stacked Column. Increase or decrease the size of the chart by hovering over one of its corners until the cursor is just one double-headed arrow, and click and drag. The chart's position can be adjusted by clicking and dragging. The cursor will turn into a cross made of two double-headed arrows. To maintain the proportions of your chart, keep the Shift key pressed while dragging.
But what is the purpose of charts? The purpose of charts is to visually represent data in a way that is easy to understand and interpret. By doing so, they simplify complex information, highlight relationships, and enhance communication. Also, they support decision-making by making data more accessible and engaging, helping audiences quickly understand key points and trends. Let's have a look to the different types of charts. Bar chart displays data with rectangular bars, making it easy to compare different categories or groups. Line chart shows trends over time by connecting data points with a continuous line, ideal for tracking changes or progress. Pie chart represents data as slices of a circle, showing the proportion of each category relative to the whole. Histogram, similar to a bar chart, but used to show the distribution of a data set across continuous intervals or bins. Scatter plot displays individual data points on a two-axis grid, used to identify relationships or correlations between variables. Area chart are similar to line chart, but with the area under the line filled in, used to show cumulative data over time. Column chart are similar to a bar chart, but with vertical bars, commonly used for comparing data across different categories. Now we should have the knowledge to complete exercise 14. Good job everyone, let's keep up with the good work. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.